When it comes to investing, understanding the power of compounding is essential. But there's a common misconception that can mislead beginners. You might have heard the story of doubling a penny every day for a month, which sounds impressive. Some say you'd have $5,368,709.12 by the end of it. But in reality, doubling a penny every day for a month will only get you 60 pennies. That's right, just 60 cents. To achieve $5,368,709.12, you need to double the balance every day. That's the true power of compounding. Let's do the math. If you start with just a penny and double your balance every day for 30 days, by day 30, you'd have $5,368,709.12. That's the magic of compounding. But here's where it gets interesting. That phenomenal growth translates to an equivalent annual interest rate of 732.92%. Now let's bring it back to reality. While it's crucial to understand the power of compounding, it's equally important to be realistic. The real power of compounding is realized with real interest rates and larger amounts of money. Consider this. If you were to invest in equities instead of trying to compound your small savings in a bank, over time, the growth potential is significantly higher. Even with more modest annual returns, the power of compounding works wonders. But wait, there's more. Real estate offers even greater opportunities for compounding. With real estate, you not only benefit from equity growth, but you also get the added value of depreciation, which provides tax benefits. Plus, there's the potential for rental income. When you combine equity growth, tax benefits, and rental income, the compounding effect with real estate is unparalleled. So, while the lesson of doubling a penny every day is captivating, the real lesson lies in understanding how compounding works in the real world and leveraging it to build wealth wisely. Remember, it's not just about doubling pennies. It's about growing your wealth wisely over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content and found it valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest releases and join a community of like-minded individuals passionate about topic. So hit that subscribe button now and join us on our journey to goal or mission together. Your support means the world to us.